Hello students, welcome to the 11th class of trigonometrical ratio. So in this class we prove the compound angle formula. This proof is not necessary but we prove in this class, okay, and the problems of the study material. The last class we are already discussed the maximum and minimum value of a sin x plus b cos x for all x belongs to R, and the maximum and minimum value of a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Okay. So before starting, first we start the Brahmanath. शांति 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 सुस्त. So you prove the compound angle formula. That is, first we prove that cos of a plus b is equal to, cos a plus b is equal to cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. So how can you prove it? First we take the unit circle, okay, whose center at origin and the diameter along the x-axis. So without loss of generality, we take a unit circle whose center at origin and whose diameter along x-axis. So this is coordinate axis, x o x dash is known as x-axis and y o y dash is known as y-axis. So here O is the origin where the coordinate axis intersect at that point. Now we take a circle whose center at origin and radius is 1. This is the unit circle. Okay. So in that circle we take these 4 points. One is P1 and second one is P2. This is P3 and fourth one is P4. So P1, P2, P3, P4 are the 4 points on the circle. Okay, try to understand. Suppose the line segment joining OP1, its length is 1 because this is a unit circle. This line OP1 makes an angle positive direction of x-axis and this angle is A. Okay, suppose OP1 makes an angle A with a positive direction of x-axis, that is OX, and this angle is B. This angle is B. OP1 is rotate an angle B. This angle is B also. This angle is B. And OP3. This angle, this is anti-clockwise direction. Sorry, this one is anti-clockwise. In anti-clockwise, angle must be positive, but in the clockwise direction, angle must be negative. Suppose this angle is minus B. This angle is minus B. And OP4. This line OP4 lies on x-axis. Okay. So P1 OP4 is the angle A. This is the angle. And P2 OP1, this angle is B, and P4 OP3, this angle is minus B. Okay. So first we write all things. Let us consider a unit circle whose center at origin origin and diameter along the x-axis, and diameter along x-axis. Okay, P1, P2, P3 and P4 be the points, on the circle, whereas where angle P4 or P1 is equal to A. This is anti-clockwise direction, and angle P1 O P2, angle P1 O P2, this angle is B, and this total angle is what? A plus B, and this angle is A plus B, whereas this angle is A plus B. Okay, and angle P4 O P2 is equal to angle A plus B, and P4 O P3 is equal to minus B. This angle is minus B. Okay, so understand. Next, what we do? So here OP1, OP2, OP3, OP4, these are is equal to radius, and its radius is 1. So clearly OP1, the length of OP1 is equal to OP2 equal to OP3 equal to OP4. All are 1 unit circle, means its radius is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. Okay, now you know the point on this circle. If this is a circle, okay, whose center at origin and diameter lying on the x-axis, suppose P is a point on the circle and this one is R. Suppose the circle whose radius is R and center at origin, and this OP line makes an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis. Suppose the coordinate of the point P is x comma y. Let P of x comma y be a point on the circle whose center at origin and radius is R. So actually we find what is the value of x and what is the value of y in terms of r and theta. In terms of r and theta, देखो पहले जदि गोटे सर्कल आम नेबा जार कि सेंटरटा ओरिजिन थिबो आ से सर्कल रो रेडियस r थिबो, p टा गोटे आम पॉइंट नेले x, y, हेले x रो वैल्यू केता हबो, y रो वैल्यू केता हबो in term of r and theta. Now we express the value of x and y in terms of r and theta, and this form r and theta is known as a parametric form, or it is also known as a polar form. Okay, suppose we draw the perpendicular line from the point P on x-axis. Clearly this is the x-axis and this is equal to PM. Since the point P, its coordinate is x comma y, means its x coordinate is x and y coordinate is y. That means OM is equal to x and this one is equal to y. Okay, so is it clear? Since the point P is coordinate is x comma y, that P point x coordinate y pele, then तार x coordinate होची here x, y coordinate होची y. तार तो P point to जब हम x axis पर perpendicular draw करिया, then O to M distance must be x होगा, और P to M distance होची y. एतिक x एतिक y है ना, P point coordinate हमें x comma y लिखी होगा. So in that right angle triangle, OPM What is cos theta? Cos theta. So cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse b by h. तो base होची om, this is equal to x by r, and sin theta is equal to perpendicular by height p by h. P means y, this is y by r. So cos theta is equal to x by r means that implies x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Okay. So in that circle, if p is a point on x comma y and it's a parametric form or it's a polar form, here x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta, where r is the radius of the line, radius of line segment OP, and theta is the angle made by OP with positive direction of x-axis. So clearly P1, that means OP1 makes an angle A with positive direction of x-axis. That means here theta is equal to A and R is 1, and R is 1 because we take this the unit circle. So what is the coordinate of the point P1? What is the coordinate of the point P1 in parametric form or polar form? This is equal to r cos theta and r sin theta. Here r is equal to 1 and theta is equal to a. That is equal to cos a in comma sin a. Okay. Next, what is the coordinate of the point P2 in the parametric form? Clearly OP2 is angle OP2. That means so this line OP2 makes an angle A plus B with positive direction of x-axis. That is P2 OP4 is coincide to the x-axis. This is the line on x-axis. That means P2 OP4 is an angle A plus B. This angle is A plus B. So the coordinate of the point P2 is r cos theta, comma r sin theta. R means 1, but here theta means A plus B. Theta means A plus B because this angle is A and this angle is B. The total angle is A plus B. So this is equal to cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B, comma sin of A plus B. Okay, are you understand? Okay, next. What is the coordinate of the point P4th? So P4th means you can apply r cos theta, r sin theta. Here OP4th is lies on the x-axis, means it makes an angle 0 degree. Here theta is equal to 0 and r is equal to 1. So r cos theta, r sin theta, r hochi 1, theta hochi 0. So r cos 0, comma r sin 0. R means 1, cos 0 hochi 1, comma sin 0 hochi 0. So 1, 0. Okay. You can determine the coordinate of the point P1, P2, P3 into polar form or parametric form. Okay. And what is the coordinate of the point P3? देखो पहले P3 डा OP3 डा OX से तो कितना एंगल करची माइनस B, तार तो थीटा होची ता पाई माइनस B, थीटा डा होची माइनस B, और R टा होची 1, R cos theta, R sin theta. R means 1, theta means minus B. So this is equal to cos of minus B, comma sin of minus B. But cos of minus B is equal to cos B and sin of minus B is equal to minus sin B. So this is equal to so this is equal to cos B, comma minus sin B. Okay. So we take P1, P2, P3, P4 are the 4 points on the circle and its coordinate of the polar form. The polar form of the point P. Why it is cos A, sin A? We take this one. Okay. By this help of figure, you can easily understand why the coordinate of the point P1 is a cos A, sin A, and the coordinate of the point P is a cos A plus B into sin of A plus B. Okay. So these things are understand. Next, what do we do? How can you prove this one? So here, next we do. Now we join P2, P4. Okay. So if we join P2, P4, so in that triangle P2, OP4, Okay, this is a triangle. Now we is joining this point P1 to P3. P1, P3. So join P2 to P4 and P1 to P3. Okay. So we joining these 2 points, we will get two triangle. So which triangle? O P2 P4. In the triangle P2 O P4, triangle P2 O P4 and a triangle P1 O P3, P1 O P3. So in that two triangle, what we conclude or what we see? In that triangle P2 O P4 and P1 O P3, OP1 OP3, this is a unit circle, means its length is 1 unit. OP2 and OP4, this is also 1 unit. So in that triangle OP2 P4 and OP1 P4, OP2 OP1, this is 1 unit. Okay, then OP3 and OP4, this is also 1 unit. ना नहीं, ये जो ट्रायंगल आम देखुचे OP2 P4 रे आउ OP1 OP3 रे देखो एटा होची 1 यूनिट OP1 ना मध्य कोन हबो 1 यूनिट हला आउ OP4 1 unit, OP3 is also 1 unit. So clearly a triangle ro a side संगे same हला, a triangle रो कोडा P2 OP4 रो a side टा P1 OP3 रो a side संगे समान हला ना नहीं तार तो ऑटोमेटिकली दीटा triangle रे if two sides are equal, then third side must be are equal. एटा आ संगे समान हला, a side संगे समान हला. So this side, which side? P2 P4 must be is equal to P1 P3. तार तो ए दीटा side length संगे मध्य equal होगो. So clearly these two triangle are congruent. So in the triangle from the figure we clear that this due to this reason triangle P2OP4 is congruent to triangle P1OP3. Triangle P1OP3 because OP2 is equal to OP1 and OP4 is equal to OP3. So P2 P4 its magnitude or its length is equal to P1 P3. Okay, are you understand? ए जो दीरा ट्रायंगल रे पिला में देखिले जेतु ए साइड संगे समान हला, ए साइड संगे समान हला तो अदर साइड मस्ट बी इक्वल. सो साइड रो जेतु इक्वल हला ना नहीं, that means the two triangle must be congruent. So these two triangle are congruent means this side P2 P4 is equal to P1 P3. Okay, so what is P2 P4? What is P2 P4? So its length can be determined in 10th class. You know what is the distance between 2 points. If the point A, its coordinate is x1 y1 and the point B whose coordinate is x2 comma y2, the distance from A to B is a square root over x coordinate to differential square plus y coordinate to differential square, that is root over x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. You know पहले दीटा पॉइंट रो डिस्टेंस रो फार्मूला कौन ना दीटा को पॉइंट रो x कोऑर्डिनेट डिफरेंस रो स्क्वायर प्लस y कोऑर्डिनेट डिफरेंस रो स्क्वायर सो p2 p4 माने कौन दिस वन इज p2 ओके एंड दिस वन इज p4 सो इट्स डिस्टेंस मीन आर x कोऑर्डिनेट 1 अछि आर x कोऑर्डिनेट एति अछि तो 1 माइनस cos of a plus b this one is x1 y1 take it and this is x2 y2 okay so x2 minus x1 square y2 minus y1 square and its distance p1 p3 is equal to cos a minus cos b rho square plus sin a minus of minus sin b sin a plus sin b square sin a plus sin b rho square root over use the distance formula use the distance formula that is equal to now we use the distance formula p2 p4 is equal to p1 p3 so clearly that implies root over 1 minus cos of a plus b rho square plus x coordinate difference square plus y coordinate difference 0 minus sin of a plus b plus 0 minus sin of a plus b rho square okay is equal to root over p1 p3 so p1 p3 means this is equal to what cos a minus cos b or you can apply x2 minus x1 square or x1 minus x2 square because square is there na a minus b whole square is equal to b minus a square जोड़ा कर चुका रो so cos a minus cos b square plus here sin a minus of minus means sin a plus sin b cross square okay now squaring on both sides now squaring on both sides we get squaring on both sides we get squaring means square root cancel that is 1 minus cos a plus b rho square plus here minus of this one square means this is the sin square of a plus b is equal to this is equal to cos a minus cos b square plus sin a plus sin b whole square okay now to simplify this square so 1 plus cos square of a plus b minus 2 cos a plus b okay a plus b whole square a square plus b square minus 2ab here minus is there plus sin square of a plus b here also cos square a plus sin square a this is 1 cos square b plus sin square b this is 1 minus 2 cos a cos b here plus 2 sin a sin b take it common 2 so this is equal to cos a into cos b okay that is equal to eta minus asio na eta plus asio this is equal to because 2 sin a sin b eta minus 2 cos a cos b ele 2 da common le kon asio sin a sin b minus cos a into cos b minus cos a into cos b okay cos square a plus b plus sin square a plus b this is 1 add 1 achi 1 plus 1 minus 2 into cos of a plus b is equal to 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 2 plus 2 into okay this is equal to minus t common is or taking minus cos a into cos b minus cos a minus cos b minus sin a into sin b okay हम एडी कौन कले 1 plus 1 2 लिखली ए जो plus 2 थिला मो minus again common नहिली तो cos a cos b minus sin a sin b तो here that implies 1 plus 1 2 add 2 अच्छी 2 अच्छी 2 to cancel तो -2 cos a plus b, here -2. So by equating these two things, therefore here -2 को -2 सही मिला, कैंसिल होला. तो cos of a plus b is equal to cos a into cos b minus sin a sin b. Therefore cos of a plus b is equal to cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. Okay, so the proof is complete. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Next we prove that cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a into sin b. Okay, so we prove cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So here we replace minus b in place of b. In place of b, if we replace minus b in place of b, we get cos of a plus b अच्छे हमें b जार कौन पके रिप्लेस करिए minus b, तो cos of minus is equal to cos of a minus b is equal to cos a into cos of minus b. b जगह में minus b पकेबा तो minus sin a into sin of minus b. But you know sin of minus b is equal to minus sin b. So this is equal to cos a into cos b, because cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, but sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So here minus sin b plus sin a into sin b. Okay, so cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Next we prove sin of a plus b. You know sin of a plus b is equal to cos of 90 minus a plus b, because cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, and this one is equal to, you can express in this way, cos 90 minus a, this taking one things minus b, and use the formula cos of a minus b, and use the formula cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. तो cos a means pi by 2 minus a cos a into cos b plus, because this is a and this one is b, take it cos of a minus b means cos a cos b plus sin a sin b plus sin a sin of 90 minus a sin a into sin b. So this is equal to cos 90 minus a means sin a cos b, sin 90 minus a means cos a into sin b. So sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Next, if we replace minus b in place of b, then we get sin of a minus b is equal to sin a into cos of minus b. देखो हमें b जगह माइनस b पकूचे तो cos of minus b plus cos a into sin of minus b. But cos of minus b is equal to cos b, sin of minus b is equal to minus sin b. So this is equal to sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. So sin of a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay. Next we prove tan of a plus b. Next we prove tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay. Achha. So how to prove this one? Actually prove आगे मैं first class रे ही करदा था. ମୁଁ ଭାବିଥିଲି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ପ୍ରୁଫ୍ଟା ନଟ୍ ନେସେସାରୀ କାହିଁ କରିବା ବୋଲି ନା ନାହିଁ. ସୋ ତଥାପି ପ୍ରୁଫ୍ଟା ଆମେ ପ୍ରୁଫ୍ କରୁଛେ ହେଲା. ଆଚ୍ଛା, ସୋ tan of a plus b is equal to, you know tan of a plus b is equal to sin of a plus b by cos of a plus b. You know sin of a plus b equal to sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. And cos a plus b is equal to cos a into cos b, cos a cos b minus sin a into sin b. Here we divide हमको 10 आने पड़ो तो sin by cos होची 10 तो डिवाइड कौन करिया मैं cos a cos b तो cos a cos b रे डिवाइड कर दियो न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर तो ये डिवाइड करिया that is sin a into cos b by cos a cos b plus cos a sin b by cos a cos b whole by cos a cos b by cos a cos b minus sin a sin b by cos a into cos b. Okay, so here cos b cancel, here also cos a cancel, cos b cancel, तो sin a by cos a 10a plus 10b by 1 minus 10a into 10b. Okay, so in this way if we replace minus b in place of b, we prove 10 of a minus b is equal to 10a minus 10b by 1 plus 10 into 10b. Similarly, we prove that cot a plus b. So in case of cot a plus b equal to, you have to write cos a plus b by sin of a plus b. Then use this formula. Here divide sin a sin b. Cos by कौन करिया पड़ी तमे sin a sin b रे divide कर दले a प्रूडा मध्य तमे ए पारियो. Okay. So next we do the study material problem. Okay. So in this classes of compound angle, that is class 7, 8, 9, 10. So all are the concept, all are the formula of a compound angle. So this formula is most important formula, and this formula is applicable in integral calculus, differential calculus, in physics also. So all this formula must be remembered. All this formula must be remembered. Using all this formula, we do the exercise problem or the study material. Okay. Now we do the problems on study material. Okay. So find the value of tan of a plus b plus c and number 2 sin of a plus b minus c. Okay, after these two problem we will do study material problem. So how to find tan of a plus b plus c? We know tan of a plus b. So answer tan of a plus b plus c is equal to, we write in this way, tan of a plus of b plus c. Taking b plus c as one things, okay, and use the formula tan of a plus b. Suppose let it be x and let it be y. Consider, and you know tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So this is equal to tan x, x means a plus tan y. So y means b plus c whole by 1 minus tan x means a, and tan y means b plus c. Okay, use this formula tan of x plus y, tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Let it be considered x is equal to a and y is equal to b plus c. Okay. Then again use the formula tan of b plus c. This is equal to tan a plus tan of b plus c means tan b plus tan c by 1 minus tan b into tan c whole by 1 minus tan a into tan of b plus c means tan b plus tan c by 1 minus tan b into tan c. Okay. Now simplify. Here first we take the LCM in the numerator 1 minus 10b into 10c. In the denominator pulse is also LCM 1 minus 10b into 10c. Then 1 minus 10b into 10c दा both numerator denominator cancel हो आमे प्ले एडा को ऐड करिया बोले फर्स्ट न्यूमरेटर एलसीएम नेबा डिनोमिनेटर एलसीएम नेबा ना ना एडा दी आगो एलसीएम कैंसिल कैंसिल हैला पर आमे डायरेक्ट टर्म रे लिखि दबा तो 10a सहित एडा मल्टीप्लाई होबो सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 10a into 1 minus 10b into 10c plus 10b plus 10c. Okay, whole by 1 को एडे साथ मल्टीप्लाई होबो तो 1 into एथिंग मींस के चला 1 minus सेम रहला 1 minus 10b into 10c into 10c minus 10a को एडा मल्टीप्लाई करियो minus 10a into 10b minus 10a into 10c minus 10a into 10c बुझी होची ना देखो मु कोन करले फर्स्ट न्यूमरेटर एलसीएम नेले 1 minus 10b into 10c डिनोमिनेटर एलसीएम भी आसीओ 1 minus 10b into 10c हेले सेटा मु कैंसिल कर देले डायरेक्ट कैंसिल करला परे आ जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट ता कोन रहइबो 10a को एडा सहित मल्टीप्लाई होबो हर नहरी लबर गुणियो ना 10a को एडा मल्टीप्लाई होबो मल्टीप्लाई करी हमें से लिखले प्लस 10b प्लस 10c अछि तापर 1 को एडा सहित मल्टीप्लाई होबो 1 को एडा मल्टीप्लाई होले रिमेनिंग सेतिया रहइबो काई जे कोन नंबर सहित 1 रो मल्टीप्लिकेशन सेतिया आसीओ आ 10a को एडा सहित मल्टीप्लाई होबो ना 10 होल इनटू अछि ना एडा टोटली एडा कोन अछि मल्टीप्लाई रे अछि तो 10 को एडा मल्टीप्लाई करले minus 10a 10b minus 10 into 10c. Now is it clear? Okay. Then what we do? Then multiply this one. So this is equal to 10a minus 10b into 10c. 10a minus 10a into 10b into 10c plus 10b plus 10c plus 10b plus 10c whole by this is equal to by 1 minus 10b 10c 1 minus 10b 10c minus 10a 10b minus 10a 10c minus 10a into 10c. Okay, therefore 10 of a plus b plus c is equal to हमें फाइनल लिख देवा this is equal to therefore 10 of a plus b plus c this formula is important formula also and you remember this one 10 of a plus b plus c is equal to 10a plus 10b plus 10c minus 10a into 10b into 10c whole by 1 minus 10a into 10b minus 10b into 10c minus 10c into 10a. So 10 of a plus b plus c 10 of a plus b plus c equal to 10a plus 10b plus 10c minus 10a into 10b into 10c whole by 1 minus 10a into 10b minus 10b into 10c minus 10c into 10a. Okay, 10a into 10b into da hala into 10b into 10c minus 10c into 10a. These are the formula for 10 of a plus b plus c. Similarly, you have to calculate sin of a plus b minus c means here b minus c taking one thing. So let it be considered a bracket. This one is x and this one is y. So sin of x plus y use this formula. Sin of x plus y formula पकेला परे तमे y जगह कौन पकेबो b minus c again आउथरे sin of से b minus c y जगह b minus c जो लिखि दिबो सेटा आउथरे again तमे फॉर्मूला पकेबो. So जदि आमर कंपाउंड एंगल रे तीन एंगल थिबो एमती दीटा एंगल को तमे गोटे एंगल कंसीडर करिगिरी फॉर्मूला यूज करियो. ओके So we do some problems of study material. Okay. So you can do the problems of study material till we will do some problems of study material. So first question, find the value of 1 plus tan 15 degree by 1 minus tan 15 degree. You know 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to tan of pi by 4 plus theta. There is a formula we discussed. 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to tan of pi by 4, tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Okay, why? Because you replace tan pi by 4 in place of 1. So tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 1, it remaining same 1 minus, here 1 is there, nothing means 1. So 1 means tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. So clearly it is the formula for tan of pi plus b. So tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Okay. तो मैं डायरेक्ट पकेब बोले दिस इज इक्वल टू tan ऑफ 45 डिग्री प्लस 15 डिग्री बिकॉज tan ऑफ पाई बाय 4 प्लस थीटा एटा ऊपर प्लस दिले एटा प्लस हबो एटा माइनस दिले एटा माइनस हबो एंगल ला जति थियो एटा सेति पड़ो एटा प्लस दिले एटा माइनस हियर माइनस मींस हियर प्लस सो दिस इज इक्वल टू tan 60 डिग्री एंड यू नो tan 60 डिग्री इक्वल टू √3 सो आंसर इज √3 ओके. Next number 2 sin 105 into sin 15 degree. You can apply 2 sin A sin B sin A plus B plus sin 2 sin A sin B means cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, or you can write another way also 105 means you have to express 90 plus 15. 105 डिग्री टा कौन लिखियो तुम 90 डिग्री प्लस 15 डिग्री लिखियो. सो दिस इज इक्वल 2 इंटू साइन ऑफ 90 प्लस 15 डिग्री इंटू साइन ऑफ 15 डिग्री. ओके. सो 2 साइन 90 प्लस 15 मीन्स कॉस 90 साइन 90 प्लस थीटा इज इक्वल कॉस थीटा. तो दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 कॉस 15 डिग्री इंटू साइन 15 डिग्री. तो 2 साइन इंटू कॉस है. सो दिस इज द साइन 2a sin 30, but sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2. Next number 3. Cos 15 degree into cos 7.5 degree into sin 7.5 degree. Here what we do? देखो एटी कौन अच्छी the angle of cos and sin are same means we multiplied and divide by 2. तो multiplied and divided by 2. This is cos 15 degree. Here 2 cos 7.5 degree into sin 7.5 degree by 2. Area में take it bracket 2 cos A sin A means this is the sin 2a. So this is equal to cos 15 degree sin 2 into 7.5. The multiple of sin 7.5 means 15 degree. So this is equal to sin 15 degree by 2. Then again multiplied 2 and divided by 2. So this is equal to 2 sin 15 degree into cos 15 degree by 4. एडी कौन कर लो तमें एडी आउट रे अगेन 2 मल्टीप्लाई करो 2 डिवाइड करियो कौन पाए sin थीटा cos थीटा दी रागर एंगल सेम अछि माने you always multiplied and divided by 2. We get a formula. So this is equal to sin 30 by 4. Sin 30 means 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 by 4. So this is 1 by 2 by 4. So this is 1 by 8. So answer is 1 by 8. Okay. Next sin 20 degree, fourth number. Sin 20 degree into 3 minus 4 cos square 70 degree. 3 minus 4 cos square 70 degree. देखो कौन अच्छी what is there? Sin 20 into 3 minus 4 cos square 70 degree अच्छी. So one angle is 20, other angle is 70. Now to express the same angle, you have to express the same angle. Either 70 in terms of 20 or 20 in terms of 70. तुम 70 को 20 रे एक्सप्रेस कर कि 20 को 70 रे एक्सप्रेस कर आम कौन करिया एज यूजुअल प्रोसेस सो हायर एंगल को आम लोअर एंगल लिखा वी एक्सप्रेस हायर एंगल इन टर्म्स ऑफ लोअर एंगल तो 70 को आम लिखिया 90 माइनस 20 तो 70 आम लिखिया 90 माइनस 20 दिस इज इक्वल टू sin 20 डिग्री ना नहीं so what we get a formula so we try so what we get a formula what we do we try what we do in order to get a formula सब आम चेष्टा करता कि फर्मुला पाइबा पाइनी कौन कले फर्मुला पाइबा we try what we do to get a formula in order to get a formula तो sin 20 degree 3 minus 4 cos 90 degree minus 20 no square but cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta so this is equal to sin 20 degree into 3 minus 4 cos 90 minus theta means sin so this is equal to sin square 20 degree now multiply this one so this is equal to if we multiply okay so this is 3 sin 20 degree minus 4 sin cube 20 degree and you know 3 sin a minus 4 sin qa this is the sin 3a this is the sin 3a so means sin 3 into 20 sin 60 and sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 okay next we do another problem so root 3 into 10 degree minus 10 cube 10 degree by 1 minus 3 10 square 10 degree so this is of the formula 3 10a minus 10 qa by 1 minus 3 10 square a and you know this is formula for 10 3a so this is equal to root 3 into 10 3a 3 into a means 10 degree so this is equal to root 3 10 30 so 10 30 means this is equal to 10 30 equal to what 1 by root 3 so 10 30 equal to 1 by root 3 so this is equal to 1 so answer is 1 okay so next another question 5 6 number so this is equal to 2 10 7 half degree into 1 minus 10 square 7 half degree by 1 plus 10 square 7 half degree rho square okay so you know sin 2a in terms of 10a this is the 2 10a by 1 plus 10 square a and cos 2a equal to 1 minus 10 square a by 1 plus 10 square a tan 2a equal to 2 10a by 1 minus 10 square a okay so this is equal to 2 10a 2 10 7 half degree by 1 plus 10 square 7 half degree into here 1 minus 10 square 7 half degree by 1 plus 10 square 7 half degree okay so 2 10a by 1 plus 10 square a this is the sin 2a 1 minus 10 square a by 1 plus 10 square a this is the cos 2a so sin 2a 2 into 7 half so 15 degree here cos 2a cos 2 into 7 half cos 15 degree so sin 15 into cos 15 by 2 into 2 so this is equal to sin 30 and sin 30 degree by 2 sin 30 degree by 2 and you know sin 30 equal 1 by 2 1 by 2 by 2 so this is 1 by 4 so 1 by 4 next the minimum value of sin theta into cos theta 7 mean value of sin theta into cos theta you know how to express sin theta into cos theta in terms of sin into अछि पले into थियो बा plus थियो माने तमे ताकू सिंगल टर्म में ट्रांसफर करियो you know we discussed already so this is sin theta into cos theta by 2 into 2 so 2 sin theta into cos theta this is sin 2 theta by 2 what we ask the minimum value you know the minimum value of sin 2 theta is minus 1 तो -1/2, तो -1/2. तो minimum value of sin theta into cos theta is equal to -1/2. Minimum value, that is mean value, is equal to -1/2. Okay, are you understand? Next, here tan alpha is equal to 1/2, tan beta is equal to 1/3. Then find the alpha plus beta. So how can you determine tan of alpha plus beta? 8 number, here tan alpha is equal to 1/2 and tan beta is equal to 1/3. To find alpha plus beta means you take tan of alpha plus beta. So tan of alpha plus beta means this is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta, and substitute this value. Tan alpha is equal to 1/2 plus 1/3 by 1 minus 1/2 into 1/3. So 1/2 plus 1/3, this is the 5/6. 1 minus 1/6, this is also 1 minus 1/6, and 5/6 by 5/6. So this is 1. So tan of alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1, means theta equal to pi/4. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to pi/4 or 45 degree. Okay. Next, 9 number. So what is 9 number? That is the value of cos 15 degree plus sin 15 degree by cos 15 degree minus sin 15 degree is dash. Here what do we do in order to get a formula? Then formula पाइया पाई, what do we do? Cos divide cos 15 degree divide cos 15 degree. हमें cos 15 divide कर ले कौन पाइबा? ये cos 15 by cos 15 1, sin 15 by cos 15 10. तो 1 plus tan 15 degree by 1 minus tan 15 degree. And you know 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. This is the tan of pi/4 minus theta, pi/4 plus theta. So tan of 45 degree plus 15. Tan 60, and you know tan 60 is equal to √3. Okay. So you use all the formula of the compound angle formula. Compound angle सब formula जो formula use होची से formula use करी रे तमे value ला बाहर करिया कथा. Trigonometry is easy if you get a formula. If you remember the formula, trigonometrical formula, then the problem of the trigonometrical will be easy to calculate. So 10 number, here 1 plus sin A by cos A. 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to √2 plus 1. Here given, but the value of 1 minus sin A by cos A is equal to dash. देखो, here given 1 plus sin A by cos A, but what we ask 1 minus sin A by cos A. So in that given condition we multiply 1 minus sin A. तो एडी हमें कौन करिया 1 minus sin A multiply कर दबा आंसर. तो 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A by cos A into 1 minus sin A is equal to √2 plus 1. तो 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A, this is equal to 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A means what? Cos square A by cos A into 1 minus sin A equal to √2 plus 1. तो cos square A cos cancel होला, कौन होला? Cos A by 1 minus sin A, but we ask 1 minus sin A by cos A. Take its reciprocal, that is 1 by, that implies 1 minus sin A by cos A. So 1 minus sin A by cos A equal to 1 by √2 plus 1. 1 by √2 plus 1. And 1 by √2 plus 1 means this is equal to √2 minus 1. These are root 2 minus 1. Multiply, rationalization, root 2 minus 1 into 1 by root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1. I mean root 2 minus 1 both multiply कर देले. So root 2 minus 1 into root 2 minus plus 1 means root 2 square minus 1. So 2 minus 1 equal 1. So this is equal to root 2 minus 1. So 1 minus sin A by cos A is equal to root 2 minus 1. Okay. Next we do another problem, that is देखो. Next question. Sin 105 into cos 105. Here angle is the same, means you have to multiply 2 and divide 2. So 2 multiply करे 2 divide करे कौन होगा ना sin 210 by 2 होगा. Sin 210 means you can express 180 plus 30. तो sin 180 plus 30 is equal to minus sin 30. तो minus sin 30 by 2 minus 1 by 2 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Then 2 sin 67 half degree into cos 222 half degree अच्छी. तो 2 sin A cos B रो formula पके दबो. 2 sin A cos B formula what? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. You can write in this way. So you do next sin 35 degree plus cos 5 degree. So how can you calculate sin 35 degree plus cos 5 degree? So sin 35 degree 13 number plus cos 5 degree. देखो one term is sin 35 अच्छी, second term ला cos 5 अच्छी. There is no formula sin C plus cos D. एमती कौन formula अच्छी की? Formula कौन अच्छी? sin C plus sin D, cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D, sin C minus sin D. Both part are sin or both part are cos. There is a formula. Either दीरा को sin थी बोल दीरा cos थी, गोटे sin थी गोटे cos थी, formula ना है ना. तेनो first we have to make both are sin or both are cos. तेणु आम cos टाक sin लिखी हम बा sin टाक cos लिखि पारिया. जमती भी मु कौन करी sin 35 degree cos 5 is equal to sin 90 minus 5. You know sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So this is equal to sin 35 degree plus sin 85 degree. Cos 5 degree value जति होबो sin 85 degree value सति होबो. Here you use the formula sin C plus sin D. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D. So 35 plus 85, 90 plus 120. So this is equal to sin 120 by 2 sin 60 degree into cos minus 50 by 2 minus 25 degree. So 2 sin 30 means 1 by sin 30 means root 3 by 2. Sorry 60. Cos of minus 25 means cos 25 degree. 2 to cancel. So answer is root 3 cos 25 degree. 25 degree is not a special angle, specific angle. So 25 MD agar roibo, same roibo. So this is root 3 into cos 25 degree. Okay. So next question, sin square 24 minus sin square 6. You can do sin square A minus sin square B. Use the formula sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Then sin 70 into cos 4 cos square 20 अच्छी गुटे 20 अच्छी 70 अच्छी. तमें 70 रे कौन लेके 90 minus 20 करी फॉर्मूला पके दबो. sin 3 theta plus cos 3 theta is maximum if theta is equal to dash. हमें क्लास रे करते लास्ट क्लास रे करते. Then you can do all this problem. Okay, so you can try to do the problem of this study material. In next class we will do other problem, that is 17. On 17 we do some problems of short type. Then you can do the problems of 2 number question, 2 number. Okay. Then the second, prove that the following. So try. So in next class we do another problem. Okay, thank you.